The age of AI is here and there's so much hype around it. A lot of us are embracing it for some or all of our jobs, and yet others are afraid it's going to steal their jobs. I hope you're not one of those. In the end, it's nothing more than a paradigm shift. The people who embrace it and follow through will survive. Of course, their job will be different, more about oversight, strategy, and management. Doesn't that actually sound great? You can lop off the boring execution pieces of your job and deliver more, faster, and better results. There are a few problems still. There are so many tools. Maybe you're like others I've met. Maybe your CMO showed up, made the directive to get on ChatGPT or Claude or whatever tool, there's so many, and be more efficient or be more productive. It's like a magic wand, right? You add in that AI isn't limited to only these answer engines. Literally, every type of marketing technology is rolling out with AI capabilities by the day. Are you overwhelmed? A lot of us are, and for good reason. There are just so many tools and so many options. What a lot of marketing teams are missing out on, though, is that AI isn't really a solution to anything. Yeah, if you use it right, you'll benefit. On the other hand, if you use it wrong, you can stand to do more harm than good. First, you simply just can't hand things over to AI and trust that it's going to get it right. Let's face it, AI makes mistakes. Those mistakes can be inaccurate, they can be legally risky, or even worse, they could tarnish your brand if you let it reel out of control without oversight. AI tools are only as good as the information you use to train them. And hey, you've been on the internet. Seriously, Reddit is one of the major platforms that they use to train some of the major AI platforms themselves. Reddit. Then let's add in that old SEO. Doesn't work like it used to. Now you have to show up on these answer engines. Now you're looking at it from multiple angles. And yes, again, it can be so overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. You can address all of this with a sound human plus AI process. In this process, you'll have all the benefits of AI, the processing power, the crunching of data, and the efficiencies that you can get out of it. That said, you then balance it with human pieces, empathy, creativity, strategic thinking, and of course, most importantly, your team's oversight. The thing is, you have to change how you operate. You have to build joint processes, human plus AI. Personally, I've been working with AI technology for a number of years now. This stuff isn't rocket science, but you just have to do it the right way. This is why I'm offering AI-related services that help you clear the noise and actually move forward and get the benefits. My human and AI framework, I call it HAIF, H-A-I-F. It's built to help you embrace AI with the right process in place. It's composed of 24 modules, which will be a course in a few months, but are available right now as a consulting agreement where I personally will help work with you on it. Each module comes with some exercise or workshop or information sheet that I'll guide you through. And the outcome at the end of this whole process is that you'll build repeatable processes for your internal marketing that use AI right, no matter what tool you select. Yes, tool agnostic. You could use any or all or none. But at the end of the day, the tools you use will be used right. I also offer services for answer engine optimization, which is a term that's popped up in the last couple of years that pretty much shows you how you can rank your site or show up with some of your content on tools like Gemini, ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude, you name it. Now, answer engine optimization does overlap traditional SEO a lot, but there's some different areas like a need audit. Need is about whether or not your content exhibits notability, expertise, experience, authority, trustworthiness, and transparency. Both answer engines and search engines require it in 2025 and beyond. This is also about enhancing your content marketing strategies. Answer engines feed on content. They want to make answers, and with content information, they can create those answers. Well, guess